Look at all those penguins! The island looks magical. I can see giant icebergs. Let's start our adventure. They're all here to greet us. What a wonderful welcome. Look at those ice statues. This place is amazing. The penguins have their own town. Everything is made of ice. Look at those little houses. This is incredible. We're going so fast. This is the biggest slide ever. The penguins are winning. The penguins are winning. Catch up. The seals can jump so high. They're like acrobats. Look at that big splash. They're having fun. The trees are made of ice. The icicles are sparkling. The polar bears know the way. Let's follow them. I found a clue. Follow the penguin tracks. We're getting closer. There it is. The bridge is so high. Look at the ocean below. The penguins are racing. What a view. I caught one. The penguins are experts. Look how many fish. Everyone is smiling. The lights are beautiful. Everything is glowing. The penguins are dancing. Let's join them. Everybody smile. Say penguin. This is our best picture. What a wonderful day. Goodbye, penguin friends. We'll miss you. Thank you for the adventure. See you again soon.